In this tutorial, we will discuss how to modify a quiz in Blackboard sites to give certain students additional time. You'll begin by going over to Content on the left-hand side. And when you arrive at your content list, navigate to the quiz you want to modify. So we'll scroll down and we will edit our week number 1 quiz. So we'll click on the arrow here and we'll select Edit the Test Options. Within the test options, you'll scroll down to Test Availability Exceptions and click on the Add User or Group button. And then you will select the student that you wish to give extra time to complete the quiz. So we'll go ahead and select our demo student and click on Submit. And then you'll see the name of the student and all of the options over to the right. So for example, you could also give them multiple attempts or even unlimited attempts. And you can change the timer options, the auto submit options, and here's where you can select the dates that this quiz is available to the student. So you could give them extra time using this button. So we'll make it after today at midnight until next Tuesday at midnight. Go ahead and click Save. And you also see the option for forced completion, so we could check or uncheck that. After you have everything set up, scroll down to the bottom and click on Submit. And that will conclude how to set up the options to give certain students extra time or additional options.